And just like that, we have left the village of Tile and we are in Daruba City. We couldn't check into the hotel because it's too early. We have plans to go diving today. We are going to do 2 shark dives, I believe. I know 1 shark dive for sure. Apple's gonna do a shark snorkel, I think.
Yes.
So it's just us on this boat. So it's going to be nice, no pressure, not a lot of people or anything like that. It's just us. So taking you guys along with us. I have my underwater camera, so I will give you guys a look at me being eaten by a shark or whatever it ends up being. So we will make that video happen for you guys. We're doing it. This is a deep one, you guys. Deep, kind of a deep dive. So see what's going on with the wreck and the whole thing. So it should be pretty cool. I don't know what that is, but Apple wants me to do it.
Rock you.
What is it?
Rock you.
Rock you?
Yeah.
Okay, rock you. You ready? Everybody's good?
Yeah.
Lunchtime, you guys. We're in between dives. Give it a few more moments, maybe another 20 minutes before we can dive again. Apple said that I ate way too many lobster last night and my cholesterol level is probably crazy this morning. So, chicken and rice and vegetables.
Yes, that's good.
For the record, I ate both of those lobster tails last night. I don't know why nobody wanted it. I said yes. Can I ask about the camera? Is it not a good idea if I'm going like this, or should I stay close to my body?
Yeah.
Because they might think I'm giving food.
Ya, jadi bagaimana dia tanya, kalau GoPro-nya bisa nggak dia begini kan? Karena biasanya kalau misalnya feeding kasih makan, dan dia pikir itu mau kasih makan ke dia nggak mau kameranya dimakan hiu. Nggak masalah. Nggak masalah. Tidak apa-apa. Dia ada ini cara makan kamera. Dia kan pakai indera penciuman. It's okay. You can do it.
I'm not worried about the camera. I'm worried about this.
Ya, dia takut kamera.
check my underwear.
What's happened?
Shark, is it?
What's happened? Are you okay?
I'm okay.
You said
Camera's
check.
okay.
You said check my underwear, so I don't know what
Yeah.
that means.
My pants a couple times. It was a
Oh.
little scary. It got a little scary for a
Oh
second.
no.
One went after my camera.
Oh.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, tagasi.
I kept thinking, I don't think this is a good idea. I've done some stupid things in my life, but I don't know about this one. Oh.
Oh my
Wow.
goodness.
I'm okay.
Dia baik. Relaxing.
This is your first time?
Yeah, like that, yeah. Wow.
Make sure you have your 10 fingers and 10 toes.
Yeah.
No mark, no bites. Oh, baby.
Still with underwear.
Yeah,
Check, check, check.
yeah. Test.
Test.
Man, oh man. I let the GoPro run the whole time until the battery died at the end. I couldn't turn it off because I was like, it was just non-stop.
Wow.
Yeah.
How many shots?
Oh, I have no idea. I don't know. I surrounded the entire time. I had my legs tucked under me. Dude, I was like, this is not.
Your butt tight?
Yeah.
Oh baby, the guide, snorkeling guide, he saw 2, but Granny and I, we didn't see any.
Yeah, they were with us.
Wow.
And I have something in my. I found something for you girls.
Oh, you do?
Masih lele aja gitu. Masih
I don't think
ada
it's
satu
alive.
pun yang masih lemah.
I think it's empty.
My
Pretty sure it's empty.
beautiful shell.
Battery.
Wow.
What's that?
Your battery ran out.
I let it run the whole time. I never turned it off. It lasted all the way almost to the end.
All right, welcome
good.
to the boat.
Cheated death again. Whoa.